Yeah, boy. It's a 12-second car. What's up, baby? Oh, what the hell? There goes the tire. I'm not excited for this, but it's time to pull the boost out. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I didn't even want to film to do this, but look, we're going to do it anyway.
Honestly, I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is she my friend or my foe? I'm a extra draw. Yeah, she give me that claim as well. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly on Bob, Bambi. Baby's yellow, text. She wanna eat me like candy. Running through racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big facts, you're the dick, 6 flags. Ballin' like dick flags, told her I love her. I ain't really mean that, yeah. Nowadays these people are friends. Remember way back she was love. These bitches sneaky can't cover. I got 4 off the quintuplets. I remember. Remember I was selling dog food, no kibbles, just to get me some scribble. Remember I was really on the block like Tetris, just to get me some chip. Surfing, rock in the parking lot, my weed louder than like the gay bubble. I be on her mind like non-stop, yeah. Had to cut the little thought, no tomahawk. Remember smoking blunts with my friends. The seconds a couple of days, yeah, lost the lock to the fan. That's the shit got me upset. But at 8, then I found a leaf dog, yeah, I'm smoking with side. 4-4, I'm a zombie. This a girl, but she want me. These white boys think I'm cocky. My bitch real like Mary Poppins. Yo, bitch real like an ice. Smoking on killer, I eat a coffee. My bitch drip like Mary Poppins. Yo, bitch real like an ice. Smoking on killer, I eat a coffee. Nowadays these people are friends. Remember way back she was love. These bitches sneaky can't cover. I got 4 off the quintuplets. I remember.
Alright, a bit of an update from the last little bit. Time-lapse kind of just wandered off because we were like, we're going on lunch. So we did get lunch. So the motor's out. I don't even know if we filmed it. I don't even know. It's just been a whole long of a day and I kind of don't even care anymore. I mean, I don't care because my car's going to be slow again. So I'm not that excited. You know when you got that motivation because you know your car's going to be faster and better? Well, it's the opposite. So the power monster's there. There's the there she is. All her glory. Very small turbo that it is. That will get a little tidy up. A few little leak things that were happening from previous companies, wherever the car was, weren't fixed properly. So that now I've got a new motor out of one of my XR6s. I don't actually remember the kilometers on it. So I've got the BCM, ECU and all that because like we mentioned previously, the tune is on the ECU in its factory. There's no way I can run what I ran there. So that's going to all go in the drift car. And yeah, so that's going in. So that's where we are. It is about 8 o'clock in the evening. And clutch is back on. Couple new hoses. New water pump. Couple pulleys off the old motor just because I know they weren't old. Put on that just so I don't have any issues while driving around. And it's going in. So that's basically what we're going to do. I have a whole squad of helpers out there. And I think I'm going to go get some more food. And then do it. So that's where we're at. But yeah, this is all that one. I'm going to have half the power. I don't know if I'm ready. I have a manual, but I have half the power. See how I cope with life. It's now the morning, and we got a lot done. We kind of started it, but I still got to change the ECU, BCM, blah blah blah. Couple little hoses, and she's good. But I thought I'd just show everyone kind of how their tractors are. So I've thrown in the 4480s because I don't want to sound like a dog. That's the beautiful, beautiful tractors. Come down here, yeah boy. And then I just had to make a new little piece from here to here because my dump pipe came down and obviously bolted up to there. So rest of the exhaust is staying. Hopefully it's quiet enough where it's suitable for the street, so it's an actual Fairlane rather than just a big noise box. And we're gonna get the front on, bonnet's still off. We're gonna get it in. Yes, and then basically I think the following continuation after this will be putting the turbo motor there in the drift car. So that is where the excitement will happen. I think we'll be a whole lot more enthusiastic when that happens.
It was a late night too, so.
We did stay late. We definitely didn't start pretty early. We started like lunchtime, so, and didn't really want to be in a mood to be doing it anyway. So anyway, we'll finish it and we'll be done. Excuse the long hair. We haven't been able to get a haircut, but got that out. New ECU is in. Almost got that BCM out to put that BCM in, and this to go in. This is what you got to do. How great is that? And Trav's gone to the other shed to get a new bottle for this thing. Yeah, oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, I don't know why I love those so much. Alright, so I've put in everything out of the XR. I haven't hooked it all up yet, but I just wanted to see if the thing starts, it primes. She's on. It's low on fuel and stuff, but yeah, look at that. So I still got to put the coolant temp sensor in, a couple little bits. It's not too loud, which is good, so I'm keen. Alright guys, this will be for this video. It's obviously a sad video because my car is now more than half of the power. More than half the power has been removed via the turbo, so it's slow. However, the exciting part is on the next video we are boosting the drift car, so it's going to have some more horsepower. So I'm keen for that. Yeah, I guess if some people are asking why we changed the ECU, I can't remember if I explained it, but obviously the ECU, the BCM and the key are all programmed together. So that's why I had to change it, because the ECU that was in it copied the tune, so I can't just pull anything out and go back to stock. I've put in a Series 3 XR6 Tickford, everything out of one of my XRs into this. So that's what we've done. Hopefully that all works in the drift car, so we'll just find out on the next one what has happened. So thanks for watching guys, peace out, thanks for support, catch you soon.